The Cape Town waterfront, 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 waterfront. Check this out, 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 check this out. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? The biggest Christmas tree you've ever seen, bro. Damn. Yeah? And they're cool. Christmas tree in Cape Town, bro. Damn. Here we go. Real Christmas tree in Cape Town. Christmas is already flying in Cape Town. Waterfront. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Down here. Let's start down here. Let me see what they do in Cape Town. Short left, down.
يلا يلا حبوبي يلا بس يلا 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 السلام عليكم الحمد لله ما شاء الله يلا يلا حبوبي يلا يلا
It's quite empty today. Not as full as it normally is. When you check on the ocean. Hello ladies. What's today? Cape Town. Yeah. Evening time in Cape Town, bro. Yeah, things are different out here. Things are different out here, man. I don't know. Maybe ocean views. I don't know if we have. We see whether we get ocean views or the tours have stopped. Everything has stopped. The scenery at night is quite different in Cape Town. So this is the waterfront where everybody's like the famous waterfront that everybody talks about, man, you know. So if you haven't been to Cape Town, you haven't been to the waterfront, you should see it at night. Bam! I wonder if I will show you this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Catamaran, a catamaran, a catamaran. Nighttime cruises, nighttime cruising. Damn, bro. See how the waterfront goes, bro. This is it. Cape Town's waterfront. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, this is nice, bro. This is beautiful. 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 Shook. Then we got the red lights over there. Got the mountain. Got the views. Man. The waterfront is beautiful, man. Got everything that you ever want in the city, you know what I mean? So yeah, come to Cape Town, come see Cape Town. Truly it's beautiful, it really it is, you know? Cape Town is like the broader piece of Europe over here, you know? It's like you're not in Africa totally, you know? It's like just not in Africa at all. The beauty is just stunning, bro. I always remember Cape Town is constantly, oh man, the word constantly is not even, it's an understatement, you know, it's truly breathtaking. Cape Town is always on the city's beautifulest list, the world city's beautifulest list, you know, and the proof is in the pudding, you know what I mean, the proof is in the pudding. You should come and see it for yourself, man, you know, it's just breathtaking to see, you know what I mean, and the views, the people, the culture. Man, look at this pirate ship, man. Check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out. I like a pirate ship, you know, like in the... See that right there, man. See that right there. Man, you can't beat that, man. Seriously, bro. I like those World War ships, man. You know, truly beautiful stuff in Cape Town, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It really is stunning, man. Walking through Cape Town's waterfront. Yeah. That being said, that being it, man, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. You cannot beat it. You cannot beat it. You cannot beat it. You cannot beat it, man. You cannot beat it. Yeah, man. So like I'm saying, Cape Town always, always, always a treat, man, to come to Cape Town. You know, the waterfront is always, always, always a beautiful place to come here. Always, bro. Never a dull moment in Cape Town. Never a dull moment at the waterfront. You know, never a dull moment. The things are just out of this world, world class, first class. You can't even take nothing away from Cape Town, you know what I mean? Everything is just like wow in Cape Town, you know what I mean? So yeah, people are stunning, women are stunning, everything is just on flick. Hello. That's everything's on flick, bro, you know what I mean? So I'm like, yo, man, you gotta believe Cape Town will see beautiful stuff, man, you know what I mean? So every time you come to Cape Town, bro, you have to make a turn at the waterfront, you know what I mean? You cannot not make it to the waterfront. That's just the beauty of Cape Town, you know what I mean? Hello. Yes, good day. And you know, Cape Town is just ultra beautiful, man, you know what I mean? You cannot come to Cape Town and not come to the waterfront, man. It just doesn't make sense at all, man. It doesn't make sense, man. It wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense. I think, you know, it's quite empty though, you know. And every time I come to the mall, right? Every time I come to Cape Town, I come to the waterfront, man, it's always packed. Always, always packed. So you have to come to Cape Town. No ways you can come to Cape Town and not come to the waterfront. That'll be impossible. That'll be travesty of justice, you know what I mean? Travesty of justice. As you can see at the waterfront, you get like this big screen mall that you get to see over there, you know what I mean? That's what you call the amphitheater. So we come here, we watch soccer, we watch games. A lot of things to do at the moment, man, you know what I mean? So over here we're blogging, trying to promote Cape Town, trying to see part of the tourism gig, you know? And everybody just comes here, does what they want to do, but you'll never, it's unique, it's different, you know? It's unique, it's different. It's got a different vibe to Joburg, obviously, you know? It's relaxed, it's chilled. It doesn't have that bustling vibe, you know what I mean? So every time you come to Cape Town, bro, it's a relaxing place, you know. Cape Town is where Joburg is where you make the money, right? Joburg is where you make the money, but Cape Town is where you relax, spend, enjoy, where you get to enjoy the money that you make in Johannesburg and all the other bustling cities around the world. So you can be New York, Johannesburg, those kind of places. That's where you work hard, you make your money, you enjoy that. Cape Town is where you come to relax and you just blow that money, you know? That's what you're here for. So yeah, having said that, man, it's just a beautiful thing to be in Cape Town and seeing the diversity, the culture, the language, it's just diverse. Just the diversity here is just on another level, man. It's hard to believe this, man, you know what I mean? So yeah, bro, every time you gotta come to the waterfront. It's a touristy place, obviously. The diversity is just on fleek, it's on point. Yo, it's different, you know what I mean? It's like you're not in Africa at all, you know what I'm saying? It's like you are not in Africa at all. Jesus Christ, you know, even the women, the ladies, man, it's like, wow, damn, you know? So my whole thing is just like, it's good, you have to see it, you have to come here, you have to be it. It's like, damn, bro. I don't know, I could never say enough about this place, I could never. And you wouldn't understand it either, you know? And it's just a bustling metropolis, you know? It's a bustling metropolis, oh my goodness. The world in one, the world in two, man, you get to see beauty, culture, people, language, everything is just different, man, you know? So Cape Town's got to be on the top list when you come into Cape Town. Coming to visit Cape Town, you got to be through here, the waterfront. As you can see it, check out this, man. Check this out, check this out. Check this out, man. You know what I mean? Everything. This is it, man, you know? Yo, you can't beat Cape Town, man. You can't beat Cape Town. You can't beat Cape Town. I'm not saying Cape Town is like the best. No. I take that back. My city, rep my city. Cape Town is the best city in the world. Hands down. The beauty, the scenery, the women, the men, the culture, the languages, man, the food. music not so much, you know. Entertainment is not as high as Joburg, to be honest, it's not. But to be honest, everything else, I think it is here though. Just the chill, the chill of it, the vibe, the relaxation. It's cool. It's laid back. It's not hustle and bustle. It's not fighting. It's not anything. It's not, dude. You know what I mean? It's just different. You know what I mean? You gotta come see it. I'm thinking if you compare Cape Town, it'd be like, well, I think LA. I think LA and New York, right? People normally compare LA and New York, right? So I'm thinking LA is more chill, laid back, right? With New York is like that hustle and bustle thing, right? So I'm thinking New York is the hustle and bustle, and then LA is the relaxed, the chill, right? The laid back. So I think Cape Town would be the LA of South Africa because it's more chill, more relaxed. It's more, you know, on that vibe. So it's different from Joburg and Durban, obviously, you know, like they always say, the crime rate in Durban is like, oh, no, never be, you know what I mean? Check this out, check this out, check this out. Check this out, check this out. You cannot beat this, man. You cannot beat this. And that's hanging from a chandelier, bro. That's a chandelier right there, you know what I mean? When you get to see that, you know, the red buildings behind me, and all the flick-on things, and you get to see on things. Man, you gotta love it, man. I love Cape Town, man. Gotta rep my city. So it's mine the whole time. You're seeing it, you're doing it, everything, right? You gotta love it, man. Walking through Cape Town, walking through the mall. You get to love to see yourself. There's international stores there as well. All the big brand names are here. You know, so it's a good look for Cape Town. It's a good look for South Africa as well, you know. Cape Town always shining, putting everything on the map, and we just know for the fact that this is what we do. So you can't get any more crazier than it is right now, you know. And Cape Town is what it is. So that's what we like, you know. So yeah, you can just come here. The people are friendly, the vibe is nice, everything is good. I can't say much more about Cape Town because it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? And the worst thing about it is, or the nice thing about it is that you get to see a whole range of people from different walks of life, and it's just, I'm not saying other cities are not like this, but this one is just, I don't know, the chill factor for me is more on what's the selling point, you know, is the chill factor. So yeah, that's for me is the best, you know, that is what I like. I don't like that hustle and rush life, you know what I mean? I'm a more chill, relaxed type of a dude, you know what I mean? So for me, Cape Town is also perfect. Durban and Cape Town, Durban and Joburg, not so much, man, you know? Because I think they're just too fast-paced for me, you know what I mean? But like you're saying, the crime, even the crime rate and this rate and every other rate, Cape Town doesn't have those things. Even the crime rate in Cape Town, yeah, they'll say there is gang violence in there, but it's kept to certain areas, you know what I mean? So don't always believe what you read in the papers and see on the news, because news always reports bad things, you know what I mean? So leave the news out. Don't even think about news, and don't believe the hype that you read about. News is all about negativity. They just sell negative stuff, you know what I mean? So don't always listen to the news. Come and see it for yourself. You know what I mean? Experience things for yourself and get to see what you like. Then let me know what you think in the comment section below. Holla! But if that doesn't work, like I always say, Cape Town, beautiful city. Man, the nightlife, the night skies, the big wheel. Man, I love my city, man. I rep my city, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Holla!